Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your printer to default factory settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and will apply for all the major printer manufacturers like Canon, Brother, Lexmark, Panasonic, Epson, etc. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to just start off by opening up the search menu, type in printers. Best match will come back with printers and scanners. Go ahead and open that up. You want to locate your printer in the list here, so go ahead and select whatever your printer is, and then select remove, select yes, and now you'll have to go ahead and add the device again. So go ahead and make sure it's connected to your Wi-Fi and make sure that it's turned on so that you can go ahead and actually scan for it. If you have any printer software or installation media provided by the printer manufacturer on their website or drivers, you can also download and install it that way as well, and that's always a good way to get your printer to be recognized as well. So just wanted to put that out there. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.